Okay, so now let's allow the user, restaurant owner, to log in into this application by email and password. And as you know guys, in the previous videos we have successfully registered the user, the restaurant owner, with Firebase, and also we have validated the all these fields. So now the time is to allow the user, restaurant owner, to log in into this application by the email and password which is registered by user with our Firebase and authenticated by the Firebase. So for that, to allow the user login again by the email and password, we have to do something. So come here and let's close all these: home screen, welcome screen, just close all and open this login screen. This is the login screen. So now you will see here we have this button, this login button. So here we will pass one function. So first of all we have to create this function. Come above and here after these text editing controllers, so here we have to create one function. Let's say we will validate first. Actually, if the user not fill uh, if the user or restaurant owner leave these empty, we will display the dialog box, please enter the information. If any of these one the user leaves empty, so we will display the message, please fill the information correctly, like this. So we will validate this like we did in registration screen. So here we have to create one function first. So let's say validate login, and it will be async type. And now inside this we will give a condition: if email email control.text is not empty and password controller.text dot is not empty. So what we have to do, so here we have to allow user login. So just type comment right now for now, and else, sorry, else we have to show a dialog box. Remove this builder and put to this, and see, and here put to comment. We have to return a error dialog which we have already passed in registration screen, and here we have to put message, and message will be, please fill correct email or password. And here if you see this underline, just click on it and add a const modifier like this and put here semicolon like this. So what we did here, we have created this function, and inside this function we are validating the login. If the user fill correctly everything, password and email, so we will allow user to log in. Else, or if the user not fill the correct information, we will display this message, please fill the correct email and password. I hope you understand guys. So now this function for validation. So now let's allow the user login. This one, here we have to create the function for login. So let's say login owner, or you can say users, login users, logins, you can say allow login users. This is the function name and it will be type async, Now here let's display the dialog box. So copy this from here, just copy and paste it here, and here return this loading, because we are displaying please wait until it will log in, like this. And here we have to say wait please wait, you can see. So now we have to create a instance for the user to allow the login by email and password. So for that, before this, after this dialog box, so dialog box, after this here, so here let's say user, and this user coming from the Firebase auth, and let's say current user, and here we have to say await Firebase auth dot current user, sorry, not current, not dot sign in with email and password. This one, sign in with email and password. And here we have to pass these parameters, which is the controller. So here email will be email controller dot text dot trim, and password also password dot controller dot text dot trim, and put semicolon at the end. So yeah, now we will use this to get the email and password from the user. So now we have to assign this user to which is login right now to this current user. So here after this, come here, let's break this code. After this, remove this dot, then remove this, put two curly brackets, put at the end semicolon, and here write auth, and here let's see auth dot user, and assign this user to the current user. So here our variable is current user equals to auth dot user, like this, and this is the our current user. And here it's current user, remove this, current user equals to auth dot user, like this. So now after this, if something happen, if some error occur, if some error some error occur, so in this condition we have to display the message please something wrong. So here after this, write dot catch error, and here will be error, and inside this we have to display the dialog box, which is this one. Just copy paste this, copy and just paste inside this error, catch error, and here remove this, and you can say message error dot message dot to string, like this, error dot message dot to string. And if you see this error, because it's we have const modifier here, remove this const modifier, like this, and here message error dot message dot to string, like this. So anyway, if any error occurs, so we will display this message by the Firebase something wrong, or so the user not registered, or user has been deleted. If the user not have an account, or the account has been deleted, or something, the password has been changed or something, in this condition we will display this. So yeah, these are the two functions which we have created in this video. First is validating. We are validating our login screen, this one. So if the user will leave this field empty, we will display the message, please fill the correct information, or the password also. Then after that we are creating here one function. If the everything is goes well, we will display please wait, and then we will allow the user login. And if something happen, yeah, I think yeah, I mean if the user already have an account but the account has been deleted, or the password has been changed, or the email has been changed, so in this condition if something error some error occurs, so we will display this error dialog box. I hope you understand, guys, and in the next video we will continue this. Thank you, bye bye, see you in the next video.